In today's episode of Value in My Toy Collection, we're going to try to value a couple more shelves of our superhero collection. Hey everyone, my name's Chris. I'm a full-time beauty pageant director as my career, but in my spare time, I'm a huge toy collector. I've been collecting toys now for over 40 years. You can officially call me a toyaholic. Thanks so much for checking out my YouTube channel. My channel consists mainly of two things: beauty pageants, which I love, and toys, which I love even more. My goal now is to move my massive toy collection to a building and call it Mississippi's Totally Awesome Toy Museum and make it open to the public. I want to make it a tourist attraction for our state. So now I'm just going to make a ton of videos and value my toy collection, and then I'm going to make some where I take you shopping with me to thrift stores and flea markets and toy stores to let you see where I find all these goodies. Alright, well let's jump right in and start valuing some toys. This first figure here, he's worth about $3. That's usually what I value loose figures. Next we have the Riddler, also worth about $3. And then next up we have the Penguin and the Joker, worth about $4 each because they're a little nicer figure. And then we have the Disney Mighty Duck figure. He's worth about $6 loose. And then we have one of those Sonic Tot little superheroes. He's worth about $4. I believe that came from Sonic. And then we have this loose Batmobile. It's huge. I need to clean it a little bit. It's full of dust, but I couldn't find it on eBay, so I'd say at least $20. It might be worth more than that, but in the video, we're going to say $20 to be happy. All right, next up we have these Rock Candy figures. First, we have these Teen Titan Go figure. She's worth about $12. I'll pull her out so we can see her a little better. She actually came from Toys R Us. I have two. One has a red cape and one has a gray cape, but they're worth about the same price. Next up we have, if I can get it, it's the She-Hulk. She is worth, I think about $14, even though I only paid $5 for her. She's almost tripled in price. Next, we have Supergirl. She's only worth $12 right now. You would think she'd be worth a little bit more, but that's what she's worth, $12. And then we have the other Teen Titans, also from Toys R Us, worth $12 as well. All right, next up, we have this hardcover of the Batman The Warriors book. It's worth about $10. Very colorful book. Looks good on the shelf. All right, next we have the Marvel Rising Secret Warrior dolls. This first doll is Miss Marvel, and she's worth about $20 still in the box. Next up, we have America Chavez, and she's worth about $15. It's hard to not get this glare, but I'll do my best, but she's worth about $15. Next up, we have Daisy Johnson. She's worth about $17. And next up, we have the Marvel Patriot doll, and he's worth about $15. Then we have this fun one. It's Squirrel Girl. That's hard to say. And she's worth about $19. And then up here on this bust, we have America Chavez loose doll, worth about $10. And the Miss Marvel loose doll, worth about $10 as well. And then up here from the Superhero Girl collection, we have Harley Quinn, worth about $10 loose. And then next up, we have 4 of these Wakanda Forever figures. I'll just let you look at those while the music plays. They're worth about $12 each, and I paid $6 each for them. Next, we have this Tenya figure from My Hero Academia. I'm not really familiar with this cartoon. I really haven't seen it yet, but he's worth about $8. I paid $3 for him on clearance at Walmart. And then I have the calendar. The calendar is worth $6, and I paid 25 cents for it. And then we have this little Wonder Woman headwear package worth about $12. All kinds of stuff up here on this top shelf. I had to get the little step stool up here. Here we have a Batman The Dark Knight Returns mask and book set. I got this at Ollie's, and it's worth about $15. I think I only paid $4.99 for it, so I love it when the toys keep increasing in value. You got it all inside of you. Feel it to be true. And when you dance, I'm in Next, we have the Wonder Woman plush doll, and she's on a stand. She's worth about $20. And then back in the back, we have the Black Power Rangers plush doll, worth about $25. Now, next up, we have the star of our show in this little section. We have a Christopher Reeve Superman bust. He needs to be on a table by himself, but he's worth $500. It's amazing. I might even eventually get him an acrylic box made. He has a cape that lets out and everything. It's pretty cool. The Spider-Man wall art worth about $15. And then this next thing coming up is a 3-poster set from Walmart from Black Panther. And I paid $1 for it. And the cheapest one on eBay is $40. That's a score. And then in my videos, I always add a lot of miscellaneous stuff at the end that I need to go add to shelves I've already completed. So here we have a Funko Shuri 276, worth about $9. I got that on clearance for $2. Got a 2023 Stranger Things calendar worth $6 that I paid 25 cents for. Then we have this little Incredibles raccoon that sticks his head up out of a garbage can, worth about $1. And then we have this JoJo Siwa book and cup set, worth about $5. You can make your own big bow with that. And then we have a Baby Shark sucker holder that works. That's worth about $3. And then behind him, we have a Wonder Woman 84 Barbara Minerva doll. That's worth about $15. So that's everything I have in this video. I didn't have a lot of time this week because I have a big state pageant coming up soon. So hope you enjoyed the toys. Well, with the previous 125 videos we've made so far for value in my toy collection, our total was $356,488. And then we get to add all of our new toys we priced in this video. So with our 2 shelves of superheroes collectibles, we can add another $999 to our grand total. So with this being our 126th episode of Value in My Toy Collection for our YouTube channel, our grand total so far is $357,487. Well, I hope you enjoyed our video today. It's from a series we're making on YouTube called Value in My Toy Collection. If you did enjoy it, just hit subscribe. We're gonna make tons of other videos showing you the toys we find and part of my toy collection. So thank you so much for watching.